Who owns Zoho Books? A project management perspective on software ownership and its implications. As a project management expert, I often guide businesses through the crucial process of selecting and implementing software solutions. One question that frequently arises, especially when considering cloud-based platforms, is about ownership. When it comes to Zoho Books, a popular accounting software for small and medium-sized businesses, understanding who owns the platform is essential for evaluating its long-term viability, data security, and overall strategic alignment. The ownership structure of Zoho Corporation. To understand who owns Zoho Books, we must first look at the ownership of its parent company, Zoho Corporation. Unlike many modern tech companies that have embraced venture capital and initial public offerings, IPOs, Zoho Corporation has remained privately held and profitable since its inception in 1996. This independent stance significantly shapes its operational philosophy and long-term vision. The company was founded by Sridhar Vembu and Tony Thomas. While both are key figures in the company's history, the majority stake in Zoho Corporation is owned by Radha Vembu, Sridhar Vembu's sister. Sridhar Vembu, the visionary leader. Sridhar Vembu serves as the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, and Chief Scientist of Zoho Corporation. His journey is quite remarkable. Born in a village in Tamil Nadu, India, he pursued higher education in electrical engineering at the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, and later earned MS and PhD degrees from Princeton University. After a stint working at Qualcomm, he co-founded AdventNet in 1996, which later rebranded as Zoho Corporation in 2009. Vembu is known for his unconventional choices. In an era where the Indian IT sector heavily focused on service-based models, he chose to build a product-based company. He also championed the idea of building a comprehensive suite of business software from the ground up, rather than acquiring existing solutions. This philosophy has led to Zoho One, a revolutionary suite offering over 40 integrated applications. Furthermore, Vembu has demonstrated a strong commitment to social impact. He initiated the Zoho University program in 2005, training high school students in computer science and absorbing them into the company's workforce. A significant portion of Zoho's employees are graduates of this program. He also prefers establishing offices in smaller towns and rural communities, fostering job creation in these areas. Radha Vembu, the majority shareholder. While Sridhar Vembu is the public face and driving force behind Zoho's strategy, Radha Vembu holds the majority ownership of the company. Her role, though less in the public spotlight, is crucial to the company's stability and long-term direction as the primary stakeholder. Implications of private ownership for Zoho Books users. The fact that Zoho Corporation and consequently Zoho Books is privately held has several important implications for its users.